The giant spider may be creeping its way to your social media feed and potentially creeping its way to the northeast. The Joro spider is an invasive species from Asia that's been living in the southeast U.S. for nearly a decade. Now scientists say they may be headed north, some of them by air.
This is the Joro spider. It's a baby one, yo. I found one out in nature. It's literally dangling from a hatchet that I got. Or not even a hatchet. This is a what the hell? Yo, where did he shoot his web? How the fuck this nigga's floating? No.